Hello there guys, how are you all? This is Jules here from Sapphire Makeup and Hair Creations. So I just thought I'd check in. We're going to start doing a couple of online tutorials for you guys now and then, just to keep you sane for a start, but maybe you might in this downtime want to learn a new skill, and that's something to do with your hair, your makeup, your skincare, something like that. That's the whole aim of the game here for me, is to teach you. Shout out, let me know what kind of things that you might want to go through. We're going through, this week in particular, we're going to go through some brows and maybe some blow drying techniques, little bits and pieces like that. For us, it's not really going to be about the products that I'm going to be using as such. I'll show you a few new ones that we've got in our Sapphire Professional store. Love those. So, you know, feel free to have a look at those, but it's more about what you've already got in your drawers. So many of you have got bundles of makeup that you've been talked into buying over the years, and you really have never used it, or you don't know what the hell you're doing with it. That's my job. Let's go through it. I hope you have a bit of fun with it. Clearly I don't take myself too seriously. And let's see where we end up. A lot of this is actually more so about the self-care side of things for you guys whilst we're all in lockdown. There's only so many jammy days that we can all have. Sometimes it's nice to sort of spruce yourself up and just feel good, even if you are just going to Coles for the day or putting fuel in your car. I don't know what it could be, but you know what? It's sometimes nice even if you put that little bit of extra in. I do have a video for you with regards, I did a little FaceTime date night the other night. So maybe that might be you, or you might want to do dinner for your fella whilst you're all in lockdown. Just every now and then, just use some of these techniques to perfect your hair and makeup, and it might go a long way, you never know. All right guys, well, let's get started, shall we?